Okay, let me introduce the second supplier to you. And if you just new join in, we already finished the first one, and now we have the second one. Is the presenter is Julia from Dani's company, and they already exhibit in API for more than 10 years, and they have two sales office in USA and China. So if you after this presentation, you can go to their showroom and make the inquiry and make the appointment if you think their product is suitable for you. And you can, in the showroom, you can see different, they offer different color of leather, and they have their WeChat account. So if you are stationed in China or have the factory in China, you may contact them by WeChat. Okay, okay, I can see Julia here.
Hi,
Hello.
hi, good morning
Hi.
and good afternoon and good evening.
Yeah. I know you are stationed in Asia before, and
Yes,
now, yeah, so you have a great experience for the Asia market.
yes, I've been in China 8 years, and I was in charge of the Shanghai office. Now I'm
Hmm.
back to Italy. I'm still in charge of the Asian market,
Hmm.
and I can also speak Chinese. So I follow clients by with Chinese, English, Italian, everything.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, please start your presentation.
Okay, thank you so much for the introduction. I'm glad to be here today, and I'm gonna share with you this PowerPoint. Here we go. All right. So, Dani Sustainable Leather was born in 1950 as a small family-run tannery business, but nowadays is an international reality with more than 1,000 employees and also 70 years of know-how in the tanning industry. As you can see on this timeline, these are the main milestones that made all this evolution possible. As we said, we are positioning ourselves globally, but our headquarters and our production is only made in Italy. We are located in a city in the northeast of Italy called Arzignano, which is the main tannery district in Italy and is not far from Venice. But we have sales office in Shanghai. We have a trading company, so we can import the leather and give the full service to our clients. And of course, also USA, we have office and also the warehouse. We have also two facilities in Tunisia and in Slovenia for cutting and sewing for the automotive industry. We have two main divisions in our company. We follow different kind of clients. So this main division is home style and fashion, where we produce beautiful bovine leather from European bovine raw hides for furniture, leather goods, shoes, transportation, high tech, and classic footwear. We also produce deer leather for clothing, bags, and shoes. As we said, we also have the automotive division where we produce full grain leather and split for car interiors. And also we manufacture cut part for steering wheel, seat and car interiors. Industrial design is also one industry we focus on, and we produce full grain leather for information and technology industry and the cut part for smartphone and tablets. Sustainability is for us also a key point, and we work on sustainability since more than 10 years, focusing on social, economic, and environmental sustainability. Our brand, Dani Sustainable Leather, focus on three main pillars. We have people, planet, and profit. The Dani that value follow for responsible management are taking care of the environment, respecting and valuing human resources, investing in research and innovation, searching for profit to sustain the business, and of course, meeting customer expectations. Along our journey, we also got many certifications. Here we have the Quality, Environmental, and Safety System certification. And lower, you can see our 5 product certification that are Leather from Italy's Full Cycle. Then we have EPD, Environmental Product Declaration, Carbon Footprint to check our CO2 emission, Blue Angel, and also we got the gold medal for the Leather Working Group for the environmental standards. Zero impact is Dani's latest goal of our R&D project. This leather has a new rethinking in the tanning process that is able to have a more efficient process and technology in the production. So this aim to produce beautiful leather, but even more environmentally conscious. How? This leather is heavy metal free and chrome free, and also decrease water consumption, use of chemical in the production, pollution load, and also CO2 emission. The remaining CO2 emissions are anyway offset and become zero thanks to the reforestation project we are involved. So in Italy, we are planting new trees in 4 major parks, and this allows us to compensate the CO2 emission that become zero. Now let's talk about leather. So here we have some ideas and the feeling about our leather. So I'm going to present the instant service first. We have 25 collection and more than 500 colors possibilities in our instant service. This kind of service is available worldwide, and we call it instant service because it's very quick and you can receive the leather in a very short time. The MOQ, there is no MOQ, it's only one hide, any color you want. And this service fits designers and product developers who need a quick look into leather to fit to make any car show or prototype, bags, anything that needs something like quick. Or if you have a smaller project, like interior design project, we can also serve you. So we have a wide range of products to express any creative mood board. You can scan our QR code here to enter our online shop. And there you see all the leather, all the color, and you can also request a sample for free. So let's start first with the tactile mood. When we are talking about leather, touch is very important. Clients ask for very nice, warm, and feel leather. And in order to supply to this request, we put in our collection 3 groups. So we have 5 collections of aniline leather, 2 collections of semi-aniline leather, and 2 collections of nubuck leather. But if you're also looking for something different, actually this kind of leather can be embossed with any, many and any kind of pattern and make your leather very special. You can choose between 200 colors from our instant service, and this service is also with a minimum order quantity, only 1 hide. Also, we have transfer, is beautiful. It's like a paper where we apply over the leather and give this very nice effect, and yeah, really can make your product very special. Resistance. Of course, some clients also ask us something different. They ask for versatile, lively, and also very regular leather. In this case, we have resistance leather, and we put in our collection exactly 8 kind of pigmented leather. They have different kind of texture, different kind of personalities, but they all serve the same purpose, that is to be flexible, resistant, and still keep a very nice touch. And then we could not, of course, forget about performance with a fireproof performance that link our elegant leather to the fireproof and allow us to put in our instant service collection 6 kind of leather that can be fireproof and can also satisfy different needs. Last but not least, as we said, is the zero impact, is the eco-friendly peak of our technological know-how. And here we can present our logos. This is the first of our big zero impact family leather to be put on our instant service. So this is only one part of our work because leather has endless creative possibilities. We have much more collection to show you. But of course, we also love to engage with our clients to co-create and co-design leather. So please get in touch with us because our R&D team and sales specialists are here to support you. and to bring your ideas into life. So, as Solomon said, we have my WeChat account, Dani official WeChat account. Also, we have our sorry, oh my God, website link, and also my email. Thank you for your attention, and any question, I'm here.
Yeah, thank you, Julia. I think it is a very nice presentation. And actually, we got a compliment from Jim Lee. And
Thank you.
Jim Lee said this is a nice connection.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. And actually, if I were buyer, I got a lot of detail here. But for me, can you tell us which brand are you working with currently? Which brand name you are working with?
You mean like the company we are working worldwide?
Yeah, what is your customer?
So yeah, actually we work like worldwide with the most prestigious brand from China, from Europe, Italy, for all kind of industry, leather goods, shoes, bags, and also furniture.
Okay. And I got a question, I think it's from the automotive or furniture sector. And the question is, what is your experience of look back in upholstery?
Experience in leather. So for what concern, I think actually each client is different and they require different kind of support. So we are here to, with our like instant service and different kind of leather to support different clients from more resistant leather, more natural feeling. And also looking at a global point of view, I can also say that maybe each client in each country has also a different request. Yeah. So that's my.
But they have a follow-up question is they want to know about the performance of the leather.
Performance.
Yeah.
Each of our leather has a technical sheet, so you can see all the characteristics from the dry wrap fastness, wet wrap fastness, color, everything. And we can got in touch with the client that request, and I can share with him here any technical specification.
Okay. So, and if the buyer have interest in this company, that you can do the make the appointment on our apap.com. And yeah, thank you, Julia.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone also for watching and attending.
Okay. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye.